For a future project, I will need to make a hot wire cutter that will give me a cutting temperature of 160 degrees Celsius. And as always, let's see if we can figure out how to make one, recycling only parts I already have. But before we go any further, a quick safety disclaimer. According to the Jacobs Online Nichrome wire application calculator, 40 centimeters of 25 gauge Nichrome wire submitted to 5 volts should give me exactly the 160 degrees Celsius I need. So, time to let the magic happen.
That face when you are yet again confronted with the limitations of your own brain.
Alright, that did not go as planned. Maybe the screw eyes offer too much cooling surface. Maybe I messed up the estimation of my Nichrome. Maybe I should use Nichrome wire and not maybe she's born with it. So many questions for a confused mind that I will try to answer next time.